Hi, everyone. I wanted to say thank you to everyone who has purchased our comic book Black Star. It comes out July 29th, but pre-sales are now. And as many of you know, but I didn't fully realize because I'm a newbie at this, pre-sales are so important for comic creators. This is ours, one of our covers. This is another one of our covers. We have many covers, so you can go and look. But I just wanted to say thank you and to let you all know that this whole process is fascinating and creatively satisfying and terrifying. Taking something from our hearts and minds and putting it out in the world is really, really scary for me. I don't know about Peter and Eric, who are the co-writers on this, but for me it's terrifying. But I'm so happy to be kind of releasing this baby out to all of you. So there's a contest. You can check it out. Check out the information on my Instagram. And thank you.